Hey, good morning, first week students. Good afternoon, good morning, all of you. What did we discuss yesterday? Complex number, the new chapter, complex numbers. So, what is the complex number? The number is of the form a plus ib. The number is of the form a plus ib, where a and b are real numbers. This is the complex number definition. So yesterday this is some examples. So algebraic of complex numbers, addition, two complex numbers addition, two complex number subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, you have to discuss. Let us go to the algebra of complex numbers. Algebra of complex numbers. Addition. First one, addition of two complex numbers. First one, addition of two complex numbers. Addition of two complex number. For example, Z1. Let Z1 is equal to Z1 is equal to a plus ib. Z2 is equal to ab, c plus id. Z1 is equal to a plus id. Okay, Z1 is equal to a plus ib. Z2 is equal to c plus id. So sum Z1 plus Z2 is equal to addition of two complex numbers. Z1 plus Z2 is equal to a plus ib plus c plus id. Adding the first complex number real part to second complex number real part, plus first complex number so imaginary part to second complex number imaginary part. This is the normal method. So a plus b plus I common a plus c plus I common b plus d. This is the addition. Next is second one, difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C. Difference of two complex numbers. Difference of two complex numbers. Same, Z1 minus Z2 is equal to, what is Z1? Z1 is equal to a plus ib minus Z2 is equal to c plus id. So minus means a minus c, real parts plus b minus d, real part b minus d. Here a plus ib. Okay, minus common, c plus id. Next, third one, no? Multiply. Multiplication of two complex numbers. multiplication of two complex numbers. So Z1 into Z2, Z1 into Z2, Z1 is equal to A plus IB into Z2 is equal to C plus ID, that is equal to A into C, AC, multiply, normal multiplication, A into C, next A into ID plus A into ID, okay, A into ID plus I into BC plus I into BC, I into BC plus I into I plus I into I square, B into D. Okay, next finally AC plus here I common, AD plus BC, I common, AD plus BC, I square is equal to what? Minus 1, I square is equal to minus 1, plus into minus 1 half, because I square is equal to minus 1. No. So finally that is equal to, what is the first one? AC minus 1 into BD minus BD minus BD. This is one bracket, this is a real part. Imaginary part, I term plus I into AD plus BC, the plus I into AD plus BC, I into AD plus BC. Okay, once again, Z1 into Z2 is equal to A plus IB into C plus ID, A plus IB into C plus ID. Once again, I will repeat, multiply A into C AC plus A into ID plus I into BC, IBC into C plus I into I square BD, I square BD. So that is equal to AC plus, here I common in two terms, I common, AD plus BC minus BD. So what is the real terms? AC BD, AC minus BD is the real terms, plus I into AD plus BC, imagine. So Z1 into Z2 is equal to, this is the will use formula type, or normal multiplication. Use Z1 Z2 AC minus BD plus AD plus BC, this one. Next, Z1 by division. Next, division. Division means what? Z1 by Z2, Z1 by Z2. Okay. So Z1 is equal to what? A plus IB, A plus IB by C plus ID, C plus ID. So rationalization, C minus ID by C minus ID, rationalization with the C minus ID. So that is equal to A plus B into A minus B, C plus ID into C minus ID, C plus ID into C minus ID, LCM. Multiply A into C, AC minus I into AD, A into minus ID, plus I into BC, plus into minus, minus I square BD, I square BD. So that is equal to AD, this is I square value minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1, AC plus BD, real number, real parts, and plus I common, BC minus AD, BC minus AD by A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equal to C square. I square value minus 1. I square minus 1, minus into minus plus, so C square plus D square. This is the division of two complex numbers. Okay, addition Z1 plus Z2, addition of two complex number, adding all, and common real part. With real part means what? Without I. Imaginary part means with I. Okay, next Z1 minus Z2, same minus. Z1 into Z2, multiplication of multiply, and real part also take one side and imaginary part take another side. I common. Z1 by Z2. In minus values, root values, and I terms, don't put in denominator. Don't keep in denominator, but there is no in denominator. Numerator, denominator. In the denominator, minus values, root values, I values, not. Okay, don't. This one. This is numerator. Numerator, denominator. Denominator in the negative values, root values, or I values ಇರಬಾರದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ and rationalization both sides are multiply numerator denominator minus with minus or so, this type. Okay, this is addition, multiplication, subtraction. Okay, some examples. Addition, subtraction. Z1 is equal to, example, Z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i. Z2 is equal to minus 6 plus iy. Z2 is equal to minus 6 plus 5i. First of all, what is Z1 plus Z2? Z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i, Z2 is equal to minus 6 plus 5i. What is Z1 plus Z2? Z1 2 plus 3i plus minus 6 plus 5i. Adding 2 plus into minus, minus, 2 minus 6 equal to minus 4. 3i plus 5i, 8i. This one. Adding the real parts and imaginary parts. Next, Z1 minus Z2 is equal to, Z1 equal to 2 plus 3i minus Z2 is equal to minus 6 plus 5i. So 2 plus 3i minus into minus plus 6 minus into plus minus 5i. So that is equal to 2 plus 6, 8 plus 3i minus 5i. 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 minus 2. Next, Z1 into Z2 is equal to 2 plus 3i into minus 6 plus 5i. Minus 6 plus 5i. Multiply 2 into minus 6 minus 12. 2 into minus 6 minus 12. 2 into 5i plus 10i. minus 3i into minus 6 minus 18, 3 into minus 6 18i, 3 into 5, 5 into 3 16, 15, 5 into 3 15, I into I square. So that is equal to minus 12 plus 10i minus 18i is equal to minus 8i plus 15 into I square. 15 into I square is equal to minus 1. So 15 into minus 1 minus 15, minus 15 minus 12 minus 27 minus 8i. Next, Z1 by Z2 is equal to 2 plus 3i by minus 6 plus 5i. This one. So that is equal to 2 plus 3i by minus 6 plus 5i, minus 6 plus 5i, rationalization with minus 6 minus 5i, minus 6 minus 5i. So that is equal to denominator in the denominator not there in I negative root 3 values. Denominator in the root 3 I negative values irabaraду. So minus 6 plus 5i into minus 6 minus 5i multiply 2 into minus 6 minus 12, 2 into minus 5i minus 10i, 3i into minus 6 minus 18i, 6 into 3. So plus into minus minus 5 into 3 15, 15i square. So that is equal to minus 12 minus 18 minus 10 minus 28i. 2 into minus 6, 2 into 5 10, 3 into 6 18 minus 28. So minus 15 into I square value minus 1 by minus 6 a plus b into a minus b formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, a square minus b square 5i whole square. So minus into minus plus 15 minus 12 3 minus 28 by minus 6 whole square 36 minus 25 I square value minus 1. 5i whole square is equal to what? 5 square I square. 5 square is equal to 25, I square is equal to minus 1. So that is equal to 3 minus 28i by plus 36 plus 25 50 61. No. This is the example of two complex number addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of two complex numbers. This is okay. Next going to some values. You know I square is equal to minus 1. No, I is equal to root of minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. No. So I cube is equal to I square into IA. That is the formula. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. No. a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. No. So I square into I is equal to I cube. I square value minus 1 no into IA, that is equal to minus IA. That is equal to minus IA. So I power 4 is equal to I square into I square. I square value minus 1 no into minus 1 is equal to 1 no. So I square is equal to minus 1 no, 1 no minus I power 5 is equal to I power 5 is equal to I power 4 into IA. I power 4 and I power 4 value 1 no into I is equal to IA. So once again I square is equal to minus 1 no, I cube is equal to I square into I minus I power 4 is equal to 1 no, I power 5 is equal to I power 4 into I is equal to IA. Okay, so finally therefore I power 4k is equal to 1 no, because I power 4 value 1 no, that I power 4n anything. I power 4k is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. For example, n is equal to 1 no. Okay, I is equal to 1 no, 4 into 1 no, 4 1 no, k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 means 8, I power 8, I power 8 also. For example, I power 8 is equal to I square whole power 4. I power 4 is equal, I square is equal to minus 1 whole power 4. Minus 1 whole power 4 is equal to 1 no. This is which formula? A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n no. Okay. Minus 1 no, k, where k is an integer. What is integer? K is an integer. Integer value of negative value, positive values. All negative values, positive values. For example, I is equal to minus 1 no, k is equal to minus 1 no, I power 4 into minus 1 no. So I power minus 4. I power minus 4 is equal to 1 by I power 4. That is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1 no. Okay. Next. So this is result. I power 4k, where k is an integer. Next, I power 4k plus 1 no. I power 4k plus 1 is equal to I power 4k into IE. I power 4k value 1 no into IE, that is equal to IE. So I power 4k, where k is any integer, I power 4k value is equal to 1 no. I power 4k plus 1 is equal to IE. Next, I power 4k plus 2. I power 4k plus 2, that is equal to I power 4k into I square. I power 4k value 1 no, I square is equal to what? 1 minus 1 no. So 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1 no. This is third result. I power 4k plus 1 no. So I power 4k plus 3. Next result, I power 4k plus 3 is equal to I power 4k into I cube. So I power 4k into I cube value I square into I power 4k value 1 no, I square value minus 1 no and I. So finally minus I. These four result. These are four important result. We can find any of power of I, any power of I by using these four result. I power any number. I power any number. We have to calculate. You can calculate by using the four results. Okay. Next, okay, this one, I power 4k is equal to 1, I power 4k plus 1 is equal to I power 4k plus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 minus 1, I power 4k plus 3 is equal to minus IE. This is very important result. We can find any power of I easily by using the formula. Okay, clear? Next, root 3 I whole square is equal to root 3 I whole square is equal to, what is the formula? A into B whole power m is equal to A power m into B power m. A into B whole power m is equal to A power m into B power m. So root 3 into whole square into I square. Root 3 whole square is equal to 3. I square is equal to minus 1, that is equal to minus 3. Okay. 1 by I. In the denominator, there is not there in I minus, for example, 2 by minus 3. 2 by minus 3 can be written in 2 by minus 2 by 3. How? 2 by minus 3 multiply and divide minus 1. So minus 2 by 3. 2 by minus 3 is equal to that minus 2 by 3. How to come? This is minus 1, multiply both numerator and denominator. So 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, root 3 divide and multiply, that is equal to root 3 by 3. That's why the same way in I is not there in the denominator. So convert. How to convert? This is 1 by I, this is multiply and divide, rationalization. I divide and multiply, I cancel. So I by I into I square. So I by minus 1 is equal to what? Minus I. 1 by I. So 1 by I value is equal to what? 1 by I is equal to minus I. 1 by I is equal to minus I. This is the another result. So in the fundamental formulas, what is that? Root A into root B is equal to root of A into B. Root A by root B is equal to root of A by B. So next one, root A plus root B is not equal to root of A plus B. Root A minus root B is not equal to root of A minus B. Into division is satisfied, plus minus does not satisfy, because take any one example, easy to remember. So for example, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 9, root A into root B is equal to root 4 into root 9 is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 60. So root A into B is equal to root A value 4, B value 9, that is equal to root 36 is equal to 6. Root 6 equal. So root A into B is equal to A into B. So that's why root a plus root b is equal to root 4 plus root 9. Root 4 value 2, root 9 value 3 is equal to 5. So root of a plus b is equal to root 4 plus 9, that is equal to root 13 is not equal to 5. Root 13 there is exact root. So root a plus root b not equal to root a plus b. Root a minus root b is not equal to root of a minus b. Root a into root b is equal to root a into b. Okay, root a by root b is equal to root of a minus b. And root of a by this one. Apply the two examples. We can try. Okay, this is the fundamental result. Okay, next, complex numbers. Z1 plus Z2 whole square. Actually, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So Z1 plus Z2 whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 into Z1 into Z2. Z1 minus Z2 whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab. These are direct results. So another result, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A plus b square minus b square. So z1 square minus z2 square. Z1 square minus z2 square. Next, a plus b whole cube also. Z1 plus z2 whole cube. Z1 minus z2 whole cube. A cube minus b cube. Z1 cube minus z2 cube. These are all satisfy same formulas. Okay. So tomorrow I will discuss the exercise in complex number. First exercise I will discuss. Okay. Thank you.